Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my pineapple chicken fried rice. Okay, yes, pineapple chicken fried rice. Okay, last time I made my pineapple shrimp fried rice, it came out so good, guys. Now this time I'm going to use chicken. Okay, let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, here I have all my vegetables. Okay, and I have 7 eggs. Okay, here I have my fresh pineapples. Okay, and I have my chicken breast already cleaned up, and here I have all my fresh pineapples. Okay, what I did, guys, I cut it up and then get everything out, and then just get some napkins and then dry the inside. Okay, so you don't need any water in your pineapples. Okay, and I have my carrots, and also here I have my white rice. Okay, so let's start cooking this. What I'm going to do, I have my pot already warmed up. Okay, now I'm going to start cooking my chicken. Okay, let me add my garlic. Okay, okay, next I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, after that, guys, I'm going to cook my eggs. Okay, okay, stir it up. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add some black pepper on my chicken. Okay, and I'm going to add some salt. Okay, not too much because the soy sauce, guys, already have salt in them, so you don't need too much. So I'm going to add some onion powder. Okay, after that, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save that for later, the garlic chili sauce, okay, for my rice, and I have my soy sauce. Okay, when the chicken cook, that's when I'm gonna add my soy sauce and my chicken. Okay, let me give that a stir. Okay, guys, I'm going to let the chicken cook for a few more minutes, and then when we come back, we'll finish everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to cook our eggs. Okay, as you can see, I already take off all the white stuff from it. Okay, now it's time to cook it. Okay, I'm using my spatula. Okay, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little black pepper in my egg. Okay, some onion powder. Okay, and some parsley. Okay, give it a stir. Hey, by the way, guys, my chicken already cooked up. Okay, so okay, guys, I'm going to let the eggs cook. When we come back, we'll finish it. Okay. Okay, guys, my eggs already cooked up. As you can see, I'm cooking up my pineapple, so I don't have to put it too early in my rice. Okay, because you don't want to add it too early. So if you do, your rice is gonna be too mushy. Okay, so that's why I'm cooking it now. Okay, when we come back, we'll finish up everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's finish up. Okay, I'm going to add all my vegetables. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to add my carrots. Okay, my chicken already cooked up, and then my eggs. And you see what I did with my pineapple, guys. Okay, after I finish cook it up, I just so the water, because I don't want no water in my rice. So okay, let me stir that up. Okay, let me add some parsley. Okay, and black pepper. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add my chicken. Okay. All right. Okay, now I'm going to add my chili sauce. One big tablespoon. Mix it up. Okay, guys, I'm going to let the vegetable cook, and then when we come back, we'll add our soy sauce. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add the other stuff. I'm adding some ginger powder. Okay, and now I'm going to add some soy sauce. Okay, stir. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up. When we come back, we get everything ready. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add our rice. Okay. Okay. All right. So, okay, let me clean that up. Okay, we'll give it a stir. Okay, I'm adding some more soy sauce, guys. Not too much. Okay. All right, now I'm going to add my eggs. Okay. Okay, guys, you gotta have 2 spoons, guys. Okay, so everything can just mix up. You see, guys? Very nice. Okay, let me put down my heat. Okay. See that? Okay, guys. That's it. Now what I'm going to do, now guys, okay, I'm going to add my pineapple. Okay. Gotta mix everything in, guys, so they can blend in. Okay, it smells so good, guys, and tastes so delicious. Okay, see that? Okay, I'm going to clean that up, and then when we come back, let me add my green onion. Okay, you see that? Voila. Okay, when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. Okay, let me show you guys what I was doing. Okay, I have all my pineapples already fixed up. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of parsley around it. Okay, and remember, guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Okay. All right, now I'm adding some paprika, not too much, a little tiny bit. Okay, guys, it's very easy. All right, and simple. Okay, give it a try with the pineapple, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, remember, enjoy, have a wonderful day. Bye.